Yo. What? I did not hate you. Yo, y'all some scammers, bro. I got the whole shit on camera. Move. Stay safe, my boy. And be back before 5, you heard? Oh, shit, they shooting. Damn, they gotta switch. Run. Got a few more minutes on the lasagna. I don't know what he waiting for, though. Garfield build ass, small nose, big ear having that. Boy, yo, back got its own zip code. You know how to cash out on his favorite treats. We about to go to the vet and get him put down. What? You speak English? What the hell is this, bro? What happened to zoos having exotic animals? I ain't pay all this money to see cat called Jordan. Yo, every time I walk through here, this dog keep playing with me like, you lucky the fence there to save you. You not like that. You bugging. You must not know that I'm thugging.